Third is once you have the insights, you need to place it in context. Otherwise, it is useless. How do you contextualize your insights? Let's look at this feedback. In this case, a customer is using an application, an app on the phone, and this is the feedback. The customer says, I love the product features and super quick onboarding, but the great experience did not continue while using your product. Your support teams have been helpful, but I'm not sure whether I'll buy again. So that's long feedback. And if you run simple sentiment analysis, it might give you a score of 0.6, 0.7. But what does it really mean? Firstly, you need to put it into the context by looking at journey steps. Here are some 6 standard journey steps which McKinsey has published. There are different journey steps depending on the business. What's relevant for your business, you can choose. But this is a good starting point. The 6 stages: identify, select, co-develop, and then when you're using the product, dealing with issues, and finally reordering. So if we take the same feedback, put it into these 6 journey steps, what do they look like? So we have 5 journey steps talked about here: identify, customize, use product, deal with issues, and reorder. Now, if we bring in the sentiment and say, are customers happy or unhappy about each of these features? So you can see that 3 steps the customer is happy about, and 2 they are not very happy. But it so happens that these 2 are the most important. One is in the product usage, the other is in the reordering. So if we don't pay attention to this, this is a lost customer very soon. So that's where the power of analysis can channel your efforts in terms of where you need to improve. And once you get all of this feedback, you need to integrate the signals, because you would be listening from different feedbacks, surveys, social media. How do you channelize all of it together and integrate it? So for example, if you're launching a clothing brand and you found that the summer collection, you're running some feedback surveys in the store, customers are not very enthusiastic about it. And you find from competitive survey that a particular brand, a competition, has better colors and better range than you. And social media, you hear that customers are disappointed with your brand. And when you put all of these together with the financial results where you lost market share, you can come up with a headline, which is the integrated insight saying, our summer collection didn't land well. Brand B scored on vibrancy. Poor feedback led to 2.5% market share loss. Now, this is an actionable insight where all of your teams, the product teams and the distribution teams, and all of them can come together and take a decision as opposed to working in silos. That is the power of integrated, contextualized feedback.